Sawadee welcome to Tiger in the Kitchen. Today we are making this lovely Southern Thai recipe, sour curry with shrimps and papaya, or Gaeng Som Goong Malakor. Well, the Gaeng Som that we are making today is the Southern Thai version, and there are so many ways to make it with different protein and vegetable combinations. Even with the same protein, there are a wide selection of vegetables to choose from. That's why I made the recipe of how to make Gaeng Som curry paste separately in the other video, so I can show you the different ways to cook with this curry paste. I've already put the link of how to make Gaeng Som curry paste video in the description, and you can check it out later. If you've tried eating Gaeng Som before, do share in the comment what protein and vegetable combo you've had. Now let's get cooking! So here's our ingredients. First, we'll need Gaeng Som curry paste. This is the southern version, homemade, and how to make is pretty easy. I already have the video tutorial that you can go check it out. Link is in the description. Then some shrimps. I'm using around 250 grams, but it's homemade, so add the shrimps as much as you want. Green papaya or raw papaya, the same type of papaya we use for som tam or papaya salad. This is my favorite choice of vegetable to have with Gaeng Som with shrimps, but it doesn't always need to be papaya. It can also be any vegetable like cauliflower, young coconut shoot, long green beans, turnip, cabbage, etc. I wrote down the vegetable ideas in the description box. You can check that out and see which veggies you like and can get easily around your area. Tamarind pulps or tamarind paste if it's easier for you to get, palm sugar, limes, salt, fish sauce, and water. Now let's prepare. Peel a green papaya. Ideally, green papaya for Gaeng Som is better when it's a little more ripe. It's a little softer and a little sweeter but not mushy. But since I'm not using the whole papaya and will use the rest for som tam, I picked the very raw one. After peeling, rinse nicely. Make sure to get off all of its rubber. Now roll cut it. Keep rolling and slice into about this size. Not too thick and not too thin. If you're using the tamarind pulp, add around 4 to 5 tablespoons of lukewarm water. Using the spoon to help break it and leave it sit for a while. And during that, let's prepare something else. Limes, squeeze out the juice enough for around 2 tablespoons. So how many limes depend on how big and juicy your limes are. Palm sugar, we'll only need around a half tablespoon. This menu, especially the southern version, is not supposed to lead with sweetness, but we add palm sugar to blend all the other sharper flavors like sour and spicy. Palm sugar works as the bridge between them. And I'm gonna make the omelette quickly, which is optional, but this is how I love to eat it with Gaeng Som. So Thai style omelette is so simple. I'm using 1 egg for 1 meal and then add a tiny little bit of the fish sauce. And then we're going to just fry on the hot oil, and that's it. Come back to the tamarind. Now we're just gonna remove the seeds. And we're good to go. Let's go cook. Add water in the pot. Wait until it boils on medium-high heat. Once the water starts boiling, add 2 tablespoons of Gaeng Som curry paste. Four tablespoons tamarind paste. Give it a stir. Add a tiny bit of salt. A half tablespoon palm sugar, 1 tablespoon of fish sauce. While the curry is boiling, add raw papaya or the vegetable of your choice. You'll need to add now if the vegetables take longer to be cooked than the shrimps. Some people also using soft leafy vegetables such as morning glory, which will take around the same time or less to be cooked than the shrimp. So in that case, you'll add around the same time or after the shrimps because they'll only take a minute to cook. For raw papaya, it takes around 7 to 8 minutes to cook. To see if it's cooked, look around the edges. If it's transparent, then it's good. If not, cook a little longer until it does. Veggie is cooked. Now add the shrimps. Drown them and cook for around 1 to 2 minutes. Once the shrimps are done, turn off the heat. Add lime juice. Mix it well and done. And honestly, freshly cooked gaeng som for some reasons doesn't taste as good as when you leave it for a while and reheat it. It's one of those menus. The more you reheat, the more yummy. I'm having with my omelette and steamed jasmine rice. Yummy. And that's it for how to make Gaeng Som Goong Malakor. Not the most popular menu outside of Thailand, but it's one of many people's favorite comfort curries. Hope you enjoyed watching. Please leave a thumbs up, subscribe for more Thai and Asian recipes, and see you again in the next video. สวัสดีค่ะ